We want to bring you now to some breaking news where the High Court in Nairobi on Thursday has declined to issue orders stopping public participation in a motion tabled before the National Assembly that seeks to impeach Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Again, the High Court in Nairobi has this evening declined to issue orders stopping public participation in a motion tabled before the National Assembly that seeks to impeach Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. In its directive, the court, besides certifying the petition as urgent, ordered the parties involved to appear before it on October 10th for further directions on the matter. Well, we'll have more details later on. Still in the corridors of justice, and the High Court has temporarily suspended the implementation of the new university funding model after the Kenya Human Rights Commission and 3 others challenged it on grounds that the model is discriminatory and unconstitutional. While delivering the ruling, Justice Chacha Mwita barred the Ministry of Education, public institutions of higher learning, as well as various state agencies from implementing the new model. Ruth Wamboi has the details.
After a year of waiting since the case was filed by KHRC, Boaz Waruku, Elimu Working Group and the student caucus, Judge Chacha Mwita on Thursday put to a halt the new university funding model. In court papers, the petitioners argue that the presidential directive that instituted the funding model is an illegality, unconstitutional and an attempt to usurp Parliament's lawmaking role, discriminatory, breaches the right to access to information for Kenyan vulnerable communities, among other issues. The court was also told that the new funding model was hurriedly implemented without proper consultation. They say these institutions were mandated to follow the maximum differentiated unit cost model established under the Universities Act of 2012. While delivering his ruling, Justice Chacha Mwita noted delayed filing by the Attorney General, Education CS and the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service has stalled the case. Issuing the conservatory orders, the judge ordered that the ruling remain in force until the case filed by KHRC and 3 others is determined. The judge further ordered the respondents who have not filed submissions, including the Office of the AG, KUCCPS and Education CS, to file their submissions within the next 14 days, with highlighting of submissions for parties set for December 16th.
Universities and TVETs will no longer receive, under the new funding model, block funding in form of grants based on differentiated unit costs.
President William Ruto launched the new model for public universities and technical and vocational education training institutions on May 3rd, 2023. With the High Court halting the new university funding model, those opposing it and still urging the government to improve the old model and stop the new model that has been marred with a lot of challenges. Ruth Wamboi reporting for Prime Edition from Milimani Law Courts.